Hello class 4. Welcome to online science classes of HPS. In the last video we had seen chapter number 10 solid, liquid and gases. Now we are going to do the exercise part. Come to page number 93. Time to answer the true or false. See first one, solids have a fixed shape and a fixed volume. Answer is true. Liquids take the shape of the container in which they are kept. Yes, answer is again true. Next, gases have a fixed volume. No, they do not have, so answer is false. Ice changes to liquid water on heating. Yes, true. The states of matter are interchangeable by heating or cooling. Yes, again true. Now, come to page number 94. Time to answer the fill in the blanks. A physical change, PHYSICAL. Physical change does not produce a new substance. कोई भी new substance कब नहीं form होता? Physical change. और chemical change में new substance form होता है. So a chemical change produces a new substance. CHEMICAL. Next, rusting of iron किसका example है? Chemical change. Then fourth one, melting of a candle wax is a physical change. Okay. Now on page number 96, time to answer, match the pairs. The solid which dissolves in a liquid is called a solute. The quality of being soluble is known as solubility. Substances which dissolve in water are called soluble substances. The substances which do not dissolve in water are called insoluble substances. Plants and animals live in water, use dissolved oxygen. Now page number 97 exercise part, we are going to do the MCQs. Which of the following is not soluble in water? Sand. Matter exists in three states. The solid which dissolves in a liquid is called a solute. Which state of matter has neither definite shape nor definite volume? Answer is gas. Next, which gas is dissolved under pressure in soft drinks? Answer is carbon dioxide. Now the fill in the blanks. Matter is made up of atoms and molecules. ATOMS atoms, MOLECULES molecules. A liquid in which a substance dissolves is called a solvent. SOLVENT. Next, matter occupies space, SPACE space, and has mass, MASS mass. Next one, a solid that dissolves in a liquid is called a solute. SOLUTE solute. Next, write true or false. The first one, solids and liquids have fixed volumes. True. Liquids and gases have definite shape. False. Everything is made up of matter. Yes, true. Sand is soluble in water. No, it is not soluble. It is insoluble in water, so answer is false. Water changes to water vapor when it is frozen. False. Match the pairs. Sand is insoluble in water. Heating and cooling produce changes in the state of matter. When wax melts, it becomes a liquid. Bar of steel is a solid. Now the next question, short answer type questions. The first one, what is matter? Answer, matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. OCCUPIES, occupies. Next, name the three states of matter. The three states of matter are solid, liquid and gas. Next, what do you mean by a chemical change? Answer, a chemical change is a change in which one matter changes completely, 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 into a different type of matter, full stop. A chemical change produces, PRODUCES, produces a new substance. For example, boiling of an egg, comma, rusting of iron nails. Next, define solute and solvent. Solute: the substances which dissolve in solvents are called solutes. Solvents: the liquids in which solids can dissolve are called solvents. Next, what is a physical change and give an example? Answer: a change in which a new substance is not formed but appearance is changed is called a physical change. For example, melting of candle wax. Okay children, this was all for now, and here your syllabus of the second semester gets over children. See in the index we have started the second semester from chapter number 5. So the syllabus for the exam is chapter 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, only these chapters are there, and the question answers in the exam will come from these chapters only. Okay children, thank you and have a good day.